They will come, troll me, they'll go, but they'll never follow me.
Either your parents should be supportive or they should keep quiet.
Fuck, I'm trying to like do something.
Do I have an option of saying no?
And we'll ignore it.
और उन्होंने वो 5,000 रुपए भी रख लिए मेरे because they didn't like the photo shoot that I did.
And I don't gatekeep. Like if you meet me, I'll tell you all the gossip.
And I'm a very uneventful person.
So I have cried the most I've cried in the last 1 year. Hi guys, welcome back to Moment of Silence Pod. I'm Sakshi Shivdasani.
I'm Naina Bhan.
And today we have digitally arrested your favorite creator.
ये पिछले 3 एपिसोड से वैसे भी मेरा मजाक उड़ा ही रहे थे. So I was like, अब मेरे मुंह पे ही उड़ा लो मेरा
That's
मजाक.
true. We asked Vedant to clear like 3 TBs of space because this episode is going to be 48 hours long.
40 hours.
40
जो गलत हो
hours,
गया actually.
sweetie, yeah.
Damn it, Vedant, 1 TB कम करना.
Welcome Ankush Bahuguna.
Thank you. I'll clap for myself.
The audience will clap, but you will hear it in post. Sorry.
It's very nice to have you here, a fellow Delhi
Yeah.
boy in Mumbai, like myself,
Also an ex-co-worker.
ex-co-worker.
You all work together?
Yeah. Do you remember it?
I do.
For a very short time. For a very short time.
So I actually, my first time reaching out to Ankush in life was 2015. I used to work at this production house in Delhi and we were shooting this campaign and I reached out to him to act and he said, नहीं अभी मेरा Men's XP का contract चल रहा है. I don't know.
ये मुझे परसों तक ये बात पता नहीं थी.
हाँ.
And she told me परसों and I was like, wow, like I have no memory of this. I know her since the time she joined Men's XP later and then for a very short time.
Yeah.
Then you quit like very quickly.
I came on as a consultant and I left as a consultant.
Correct.
And then you quit, right?
Very late. Like मैं तो furniture बन गया था वहाँ. बहुत time तक था वहाँ.
A very beautiful sofa.
Yeah, very beautiful sofa.
More than 40 hours. I'm so
This
sorry.
joke won't work
Yeah,
in like about everything.
I know. I'll think of other
Thoda-
content.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Let's start with a game.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So-
Do I have an option of saying no?
Yeah, of course. You can say no.
No,
Your
no,
manager. will
And
cut
we'll
it.
ignore it.
Yeah.
ठीक है, बताओ.
Okay. The game is. Okay. We're going to give you content creator names and
Oh,
you have
God.
to tell us if they had a biopic, who would play them?
Okay.
This
Yeah.
was the easiest part.
Really?
The way you're stressing
It
out.
gets
हाँ,
worse.
I'm stressing.
You start with an easy one.
Okay.
Kusha.
Who would do the biopic?
Yeah.
Like an actor?
Yes.
Yeah.
An actor doing an influencer's biopic?
Yeah.
Oh, love that.
The world is changing.
Kareena Kapoor, I think.
Oh.
They do look similar.
No, it's also like the
Spunk.
aura. I think the aura.
Yeah. But she gets that often also.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
she looks similar to Kareena.
She's also done a lot of videos where she's said the poo dialogues, I think.
Oh.
वो घर जाना है खाना खाना है वाला. and
Oh,
all
yeah,
that,
yeah. That's a good one. Ashish Chanchlani.
Ashish Chanchalani, Varun Dhawan.
Mm.
I don't know why, like
I
same
see
vibe, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see it.
ये कब होगा ऐसा कि actors will be doing biopics of
It's the
influencers?
future.
Wait, yeah, Jio Hotstar has merged. Anything is possible.
Fair.
We're going to be, like actors are going to be like, please, I really want to play Sakshi Shivdasani in a movie about her life, and my life is just me sitting on the couch scrolling for trending audio.
Honestly,
अच्छा है ना उस मूवी का बजट कम होगा तो शायद चल जाए.
but we were discussing, should it be Ananya Janvi or should it be Khushi Sohana?
On you too?
Yeah.
Whatever you like.
We want
Who would play
Prabhas
you?
and Junior NTR.
That'll be very interesting.
Who would play you?
Who would play me?
Yeah.
Considering मुझे तो कोई एक्टिंग ऑफर्स आ नहीं रहे तो किसी और को ही प्ले करना
तो
पड़ेगा.
तुम्हारी दर्द भरी कहानी कौन?
I don't know. तुम लोग बताओ.
Arjun Kapoor.
Why Arjun Kapoor?
Because उसको भी acting offers नहीं आ रहे. उनको.
Wow, that was the problem. No,
Yeah.
but seriously.
I'm thinking.
That was a serious answer.
No, I don't think Arjun Kapoor could even fake doing a cut crease.
Yeah, like makeup has to be involved.
Yeah.
It's a guy who will be comfortable doing that.
Well, if it's a younger actor, maybe like Babil.
Yeah,
Babel would be comfortable doing that.
yeah, I
Yeah.
think so.
But
What
are
if
you?
Gyms are
Yeah.
Pratik
Sure.
Babbar.
Pratik Babbar.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very
He
good.
knows his casting pool. He knows who he's being fitted
काश मैं ही
against.
casting director होता फिर मिल जाते offers.
Have you been trying to act for a while?
For 7-8 years now. She knows it.
Can I say?
बोल बोल.
May I?
बोल. Can I say नहीं? बोल.
At the risk of everyone hating me in the comments,
That ship has sailed.
Yeah.
Do
What
it.
a risk.
I've been watching your career since 2015.
वो take off in your hand.
No,
Is that what you're
no,
What
and I'm
a
like,
humble man.
no, and this guy's putting out skit after skit. He's got an IP. He's moved to Mumbai. He's gone to Cannes. And the one time he comes on national news, it's after this fucking digital arrest. And I was like, bro,
Yeah.
this can't be the story.
नहीं मैंने कुछ short films भी करी है in my defense. वो भी ज्यादा लोगों ने नहीं देखी but
Coming to a mommy near you.
I don't know.
But yeah, you know, the next day, I picked up the phone to call someone, and that automated message happened.
Huh.
Where please be aware of any
Yeah,
blah blah.
yeah,
blah.
yeah.
And I was like, people are getting scammed every day, but it took content creator Ankush Bahuguna to get scammed for national attention to be poured
Apparently
into
उससे
this.
पहले से भी आ रहे थे calls जो मैंने
मुझे तो
सुने
उसके
थे.
बाद ही आए.
Yeah, even I got like jokes apart actually that actually helped because a lot of people didn't care about the scam and 3 days after you posted about it the guy got arrested.
Yeah.
The one who did you
Oh,
know this?
the one in Bangalore or Hyderabad or somewhere, na?
Yeah,
जो-
somewhere.
Who was running a racket of like
Yeah.
I heard
The
that news.
brains behind the
Yeah.
scam.
But I don't think he was the brains behind the whole thing. There are multiple
The
scams
founder.
happening.
The real influencer.
Founder. It's not a startup.
He influenced.
It is a startup.
Maybe, well, it is.
Yeah.
It really did start
Illegal.
up.
But I
Yeah.
think before that, you never thought that it could happen to you. I feel like you're like, oh, some maybe my mom's friend who doesn't understand the
यार
internet.
so you've grown up in Delhi. एक स्टोरी चलती थी ना कि you know कितने सारे लोग बोलते थे कि कोई रास्ते पे आया हमसे बात कर रहे हैं बात करते करते कड़ा निकाल के ले गया और पता नहीं चला and all these things and you listen to it and you're like ऐसा होता थोड़ी होगा असली में and all that and I genuinely didn't know ऐसा कुछ चल रहा है and then it happened and I was like definitely ऐसा कुछ तो चल रहा है and then everybody was like how did you not know about this I was like yeah because I didn't know about it.
I'll be honest, I was a Ankush Bahuguna apologist. I was like, no, it can happen to anyone. It can happen to anyone. And everyone was like, you are also dumb. Like,
But it's not about like some people are not very aware of these things and
Yeah.
I'm not proud of it but like it is what it is and मतलब यार मैं usually WhatsApp पे calls करता हूँ कौन नंबर मिला के आजकल कॉल कर रहा है
yeah.
प्लस जब ऑटोमेटेड मैसेजेस आते भी है तो my brain automatically switches off like I noticed after that कि how can you not listen to these messages when they come and every time there's an automated message I like mentally I just switch off and I start doing something else
Yeah.
so yeah.
And was there hypnosis involved? Or
Yeah, matlab, I can't be sure, but I saw like a lot of psychologists made some videos on this, and I was like, yeah, a lot of this makes sense because I did have an kind of an out of body experience. When I got out of it, I was like, 40 hours? Like, it's taken me this long to realize this is happening to me, and like, मैं काफी dumb हूँ, but मैं इतना भी dumb नहीं हूँ. मतलब, maybe I'm like 20 hours dumb. I'm not like 40 hours dumb. That was too much. So, yeah, I don't know. Like, I don't know how to explain it. And then, obviously, therapist के पास गया तो वो childhood trauma में relate हो गया. हर चीज जैसे हो जाती है.
Phone नहीं काट सकते. But
So, yeah, so that led me to my childhood trauma and everything. And, you know, like, I have anxiety. So, when you have anxiety, ऐसा कुछ तो होता है, fight or flight or compliance. Like, you have ways to deal with,
Yeah.
you know, when someone tries to scare you or something. And I guess my response is compliance. Like, if you scare me, I'll be like, I'll do whatever you tell me to do.
fair enough.
So, yeah.
It's like if you believe it in the first 5 minutes, you're
That's
in it.
what. Like, if you,
Yeah.
and so many people were like, अरे but मेरे बगल में मेरी बहन बैठी थी उसने मुझे बता दिया अरे मेरे बगल में कोई बैठा होता तो मुझे भी बता देते ना but they first thing they asked was like तुम्हारे आसपास कोई है कि नहीं तुम अकेले रहते हो कि किसी के साथ रहते हो
Oh.
so it was very easy like it was very planned now that I think of it to isolate me from everybody it was
Yeah.
quite the lengths to which people will go to
For how much money? Just become a content creator.
but did you fall asleep? You had
Yeah, I
some
was sleeping. Yeah,
So
yeah.
what was going through your mind when you? How did you sleep? What was going through your mind? Did you?
यार I was barely eating because इतने तो मतलब मुझे तो पता भी नहीं चला 4-5 घंटे कब निकल गए. Like once they trap you after 5 hours you're like यार 5 घंटे से मैं इसी कॉल पे हूँ, and then suddenly you're like अच्छा okay whatever bye bye, and they're like नहीं अभी तो आपको ऐसे ही रहना पड़ेगा, and then that just continues for like 40 hours.
Jeez.
It's crazy.
Damn.
It's crazy. And you know I've also done so much thinking ki like am I stupid, did this really happen, vagera vagera, which I probably am, but it's okay. The thing is for the first 24 hours like I told you that day, they didn't even ask for money. तो
Yeah.
मतलब अगर तुम पहले 24 घंटे, उन्होंने भी काफी टाइम इन्वेस्ट करा, like you really have to give
That's
it to
what I'm
them.
saying.
They really earned the money that they
Yeah.
got out of me.
Yeah.
They earned it. Because I was like 24 घंटे तुमने लगाए हैं मेरे पे.
मैं नहीं करता इतना काम.
And you know, matlab, the thing is that I don't want to go on and on about this, but I've done so much overthinking over this, and I'm like, I had so many reasons to believe it. एक तो पहली बात मुझे पता नहीं था, plus secondly, you know, एक कोई बैंक है, I won't name the bank, but उस बैंक ने apparently मेरे नाम पे किसी और का क्रेडिट कार्ड खोल दिया है, जो क्रेडिट कार्ड लेके भाग गया है. तो मेरे को जब से मैं मुंबई शिफ्ट हुआ हूँ, a bunch of things have happened. Like the bank keeps calling me, why are you not paying your credit card bill? And I'm like, this is not my credit card. And that was
Oh.
happening. So identity theft was already a thing on my mind.
Yeah.
And then I have a stalker in Mumbai, which like I've talked about before to my audience, but
Yeah.
I'm legit dealing with a stalker in Mumbai.
Ooh.
Yeah. A
That's
girl who knows where I live, a girl who's like sending me very creepy messages. So all of these things I was already dealing with, and then मैंने खुद जाके उनको बता दिया कि ये सब भी हो रहा है, and then they trapped me. They were like, अच्छा, तो
Oh,
आपका तो
no.
identity theft हुआ है. So
It's like, you know, when parents are like, you should stay away from drugs, you should stay away from this. Your parents are like, इसके पास phone भी नहीं रहना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Because they don't know what the hell he's going to end up doing.
it's crazy the way they manipulate you, and when so much is already happening, and international couriers मेरे पास आते रहते हैं because you know
Yeah.
skincare brands,
Stop
etc.
showing off now.
Yeah.
It's enough.
Do you pay
Straight here, I
custom?
love you.
No, but I'm really, really sorry. Both of us are very sorry that this happened.
Are you
to
though?
No.
पुराने
yeah,
episodes
of
देख के तो
course.
मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं लगा.
Listen, come on. You can separate the art and the artist. You can separate the apology.
You can separate the scam and the scammer. Jokers.
Yeah.
Scam jokers.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
Do you think this was the most traumatizing thing that happened to you?
In recent times, yeah.
And apart from this,
Actually, yeah, I think the most traumatizing thing, probably, yeah.
Fair
And also, I
enough.
think मैंने इतने heightened emotions में वो video डाल भी दिया internet पे, and then the whole reaction that came in, I don't think I was ready to deal with. Like I should
Fair
have
enough.
probably waited for like a week or 2 weeks to put it out so that you know I was better equipped mentally to deal with
You
it.
were removed from the situation.
Yeah.
You should have
You
done
could
a
have made it-
story time while doing makeup.
yeah.
Next, I'm gonna do this.
Next.
How to deal with PTSD while doing a cut crease.
No, but you were saying you went to Paris for a solo
Yeah.
trip, and you were saying you had PTSD from
Major,
the
major,
arrest. What happened in Paris?
यार मुझे ना पता नहीं था कि PTSD is like इतना real होता है, you know, because my therapist told me कि just because you've had 2 good days after that doesn't mean that it's removed from your system, you know. So now safety is a bit of a thing for me. Like if I feel unsafe, I get very paranoid. And in Paris पता नहीं कुछ तो हुआ, मैंने अपने vlog वगैरह में भी बताया था इसके बारे में कि I got like I couldn't get into my Airbnb because the owner did not have the keys or something, and I was left on the roads with my luggage and everything. And the place where they relocated me, वो इतना pigeon hole, यूरोप के एक तो घर इतने छोटे
I
होते हैं,
swear.
उनकी बिल्डिंग्स की एंट्री इतनी खतरनाक होती है ना, लाइट है ना कुछ है, अगर इस बिल्डिंग में घर है तो उस बिल्डिंग से तुम्हें चाबी लेके आनी पड़ती है. तो all of that I was doing, and I was just alone there, and this was like I was fresh out of the 40-hour thing,
Yeah.
and I was like I shouldn't have taken this trip right now, like I really needed to be home.
And what is PTSD for people who don't know what it is?
Post-traumatic stress disorder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
what does it do to you?
Yeah, I think you get like I got very hyper aware after that. मतलब suddenly everything was triggering me. Like छोटी से छोटी चीज होती है तो I would get triggered, and like अभी भी जब मुझे unknown number से कॉल आता है, और हमारे प्रोफेशन में unknown number से कॉल आते हैं.
Yeah, dhanda.
Yeah, my mom is like, why are you picking up unknown number calls? I was like, Mummy, what if it's business?
What
You
if
know-
it's tear?
Yeah, what if it's straight here, you know? I have to. और आदत है मेरी फट से फोन उठाने की. I'm always on my
Yeah.
phone. So now I get very, very, very scared.
Do you think like you've gotten more like anxious after content creation?
Yeah, 100%. Do you guys not relate?
I mean, yeah, because it's like you have a certain like people know you, but you're accessible.
Yeah.
So you have that
Like we're not at the level of celebrity where you need like security around you.
Yeah.
Nor can you afford it if you
Yeah,
want it.
yeah.
But like enough that you have a stalker and you want to feel safe, or enough that people get your number from places and things like that.
Yeah, and you don't like, I mean, I've never thought that like stalker मेरे साथ होगा ऐसा, and but हो रहा है.
yeah.
And you know, like, I mean, I live away from home. Also, I feel like मैं बहुत टाइम से कंटेंट क्रिएशन कर रहा हूँ, तो मतलब मुझे पता नहीं वो एंजाइटी उस वजह से बढ़ी है कि that's just adulthood in general.
Yeah. So fair.
Yo, yeah. So, but I guess it is what it is, and like it'll take time, but I think like I'm in a much better place now.
That's great.
बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस नहीं हो गया ये इस
अच्छा,
podcast
Yeah,
में?
100%. That's why I was going to ask about how you get recognized only at your dhobi and all.
यार, I don't know. मतलब मेरा I don't know ये क्यों होता है मेरे साथ. मैं कभी गोलगप्पे खाने जा रहा हूँ, आधा गोलगप्पा मुंह में होगा, and people are like boomerangs, okay? They sometimes don't remember your name, but they know that तुम कुछ कोई तो हो, and they're like, and I'm like, रुको, हाँ, yeah, I am that person, yeah, yes, I am that person. And she's like, can we take a picture? And half a golgappa is stuck here, and I'm like, wait, 2 seconds.
Like turning around.
Yeah, now let's take a picture.
You have a lot of your friends, right? You, Kusha, Dolly, everyone's been through like success kind of at similar times. How do you feel like each person has taken that journey?
मतलब?
मतलब कि what do you think?
ऐसा अच्छा अभी बाकी क्वेश्चन आ रहा है.
मतलब how do you think Dolly's dealt with it? How do you think Kusha's dealt with it? How do you think how have your journeys been different and same?
यार, I think everybody's dealt different cards in life in general. मतलब तुम्हारा career चाहे same time पे भी take off हो, you never know who reaches where.
Yeah.
And I honestly feel creators जो भी उनको opportunities मिलती है वो ले लेते हैं. Like
Yeah.
I don't think, मतलब especially with respect to acting, I don't think there is a lot of choice being given to influencers in the kind of roles that they're getting, etc. तुम्हें जो मिलेगा, you make your life out of whatever opportunities you get. So I still don't understand your question.
I was also nodding because I was like,
Answer अभी आएगा.
okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, okay, does it create as you guys are reaching different peaks
Yeah.
or ebbs? Does it create
Competition.
Competition.
Basically, you're not like
Yeah, मुझे
if
तो
I'm-
होती है insecurity. Like I'll be
Yeah.
very honest. मुझे होती है insecurity, especially when people who started creating content after me, for example, have bagged movies and all, and I'm like, यार मेरी बारी कब आएगी? You know, like for example, if you see my friend circle, everybody's gotten at least one movie,
Yeah.
and I'm like, यार मेरी बारी कब आएगी? And everybody's going and giving interviews कि you know, like आजकल तो लोग अपने numbers से cast हो रहे हैं और तुम्हारे साथ वो भी नहीं हो रहा. So then obviously, but I guess you also feel happy for them as a friend.
Yeah.
And also all of them are girls, तो मतलब मेरा उनसे ऐसा कोई competition भी नहीं है कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा insecure हो
Casting
जाऊँगा.
pool. Yeah.
हाँ, exactly. So then I feel both the feelings can exist. It's fine.
Yeah. Is there a role in recent times you were like, bro, I would have killed this?
यार, I don't know. I feel like I really loved what Babil did in Kala. Like, I loved the role.
Yeah. You
so
would
you
have-
didn't like what Babel did?
No, I liked what Babil did also.
तूने बोला.
यार, मतलब,
I could. I liked it also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You would have done it.
yeah, I think
I
like I would have loved to do it.
You know, so a lot of people say that creators basically become creators because they can't become actors. That's a stereotype that I have heard. And
But it's not necessarily false.
I agree.
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm 100%.
कि आंखों में से टिंकल आया.
No,
Such crime.
bro, मेरा तो कभी गोल ही एक्टिंग नहीं था.
फिर, yeah, you didn't want to become an actor back then
Yeah.
when we were at Men's XP.
Yeah.
हाँ.
And even now, I'm like, if a great project comes and I'm allowed to be a part of it,
Why not?
amazing.
Yeah.
But if not, I love like content. I love long format. ये अलग बात है, मेरे से reel नहीं बनती, but I love long format.
Yeah,
So
fair.
I'm more than happy to do this, and we have now this podcast, so I'm fully into it. But wing it. How the hell did that happen?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it just happened as an experiment. मतलब मैंने ऐसा कुछ ना सोचा नहीं था.
Why are you
But-
so sad about it?
Yeah.
Because like I don't have like a great answer for it, you know, कि मैंने ये सोचा और फिर ये हो गया. ऐसा नहीं. I just got into makeup suddenly in lockdown, and I was like, यार, you know, why? Like, what if my content is just me playing with makeup, and
Yeah.
there is no pressure to be perfect?
Like
Winging it.
sexually?
No, not sexually. What is wrong with you?
But sometimes when I get both the eyeliner wings correct.
And there is the sexual tension between Sakshi and Sakshi in the mirror.
Yeah, but I've never gotten it, so I really don't know. It's fine, guys. It's
Same here, actually.
no.
1 second.
Huh.
Sometimes you've never looked this hot to yourself that you're like, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
उसे थोड़ा narcissism बोलते हैं वैसे.
हाँ तो हम सब इसी फील्ड में हैं. We're not researchers.
Not for lack of trying.
Clearly research तो उन्होंने नहीं करी है if they're asking me Wingit कैसे शुरू हुआ.
No, I actually.
You pay me 1 million rupees to check on Google why.
Fair.
Yeah. He's not paying.
But so Wingit, now you started experimenting with makeup, and then you started collabing with. We
Yeah,
also did a
creators,
video
exactly. हमने
together.
online
and all.
किया था.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because lockdown was
Yeah,
down
correct,
and
correct,
you were in
correct,
Delhi. And then I remember one time at Cosmo, you were doing someone's makeup.
Larissa's makeup.
Yeah.
Are you like at the
Wait.
I was hoping that this story gets cut right
No.
here. She remembers that she's seen the vlog. Oh, God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, like, I mean, you were supposed to do her makeup for the event.
Let me narrate.
Yeah.
So Larissa, एक तो मतलब बहुत बोल दिया बेचारी, उसने वो हाँ भी बोल दिया. Okay. I was like, Larissa, why don't I do your makeup for the main award night? Not even like one of the brunches or anything. Main award night. She's like, हाँ यार करते हैं whatever. ठीक है, हमें 8 बजे पहुंचना है, 7 बजे हम शुरू कर रहे हैं मेकअप. 7:30 तक उसकी आईब्रो ही सिमेट्रिकल नहीं बन रही, कभी ये यहाँ से शिनचान बन रही है, कभी वहां से शिनचान बन रही है. एंड आफ्टर अ पॉइंट लाइक आई कैन सी हर ऑन द कैमरा एंड हर फेस इज लाइक ऐसे, वो उसका मुंह उतर रहा है धीरे धीरे कि आई डोंट थिंक ये आई शैडो तक कभी पहुंचेगा लोग, ये आईब्रो ही नहीं कर पा रहा है. एंड देन शी वाज लाइक, यू नो लिसन, लेट्स डू दिस अनदर टाइम, आई विल जस्ट रिमूव दिस एंड आई विल डू माय ओन मेकअप. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक या ओके. एंड देन yeah, that's
Yeah.
what happened.
That's really painful.
Yeah, I felt bad, not for myself, because I was like, मुझे तो मेरी खुद से तो expectation थी ही नहीं. I was feeling bad for her कि यार उसने like
Did she win that night?
हाँ?
Did
Yeah,
she
she won
win?
that night. She won that night. She won that
Sick.
night.
That is enemy behavior. That is some
Sap.
ops.
But yeah, मतलब मुझे उसके बाद में I think I was very sad कि यार she trusted me with this and then it went like, because you know ये collabs करते हुए मुझे पता था कभी तो कोई ना कोई ऐसा incident होगा कि बहुत ही बुरा जाएगा, because उससे पहले सारे बड़े अच्छे जा रहे थे.
Yeah.
अच्छे in the sense like nobody slapped me or anything.
Of course. And there was no award night.
Yeah, there
to
was no award.
prepare
The stakes are very low कि गंदा हुआ तो उतार लोगे makeup.
Yeah.
But it was an award night and I was like, यार मैंने उसका पूरा evening खराब कर दी.
One of my personal favorites was the one that you did on Shrishti. Patch.
Yeah, because she roasted me. The
Oh,
video.
no. I love the eyes.
The eyes
the
are
smoky
looking
eyes
nice.
that we did.
Yeah.
I can give compliments, okay? Despite
that's
my
new.
public persona.
That's new.
Our PR person has shaped her into it. Do you have PR?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you enjoy? Like, do they make you do anything or it's just naam ka?
Yeah, मतलब I don't understand कि as a creator how far can PR take you.
I don't think even PR understands.
I don't know. मतलब no, they understand their job, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि as a, I feel like in this climate being seen is very important. So like no matter what you do, you have to like be seen doing something. Like for example, if I'm going to a Paris Couture week,
Or you're
then
being arrested.
Or Khan.
that is one thing जो बिना PR के काफी
Catapult किया.
Maybe it was your PR agent.
no ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
Sorry,
But
while you're going to Cannes. sorry.
yeah, but मतलब like just making sure that the pictures are everywhere, etc. वो सब
Yeah.
हाँ, like I'm giving it a shot. Yeah.
Like an aspiring creator, do you think they need PR?
I don't know that. मुझे honestly नहीं पता if they need PR or not. I'm trying it out.
Fair
So,
enough.
yeah.
We'll find out in 6 months.
Yeah, I guess.
If the PR agent is still hired, we'll know.
So, for example, now you went for Cannes, okay? You had an amazing time, but of course, there was like backlash over it. What did your PR team help you with in terms of constructing that into a positive message, or what advice did they give you?
मेरे केस में मुझे as such कोई backlash नहीं मिला.
नहीं
In fact,
मिला.
नहीं.
Okay.
In fact, I think my looks were pretty well appreciated, and I was very happy with them.
You did your
Uh,
own makeup?
Huh?
You did your own
Yeah.
makeup?
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah. I didn't do my hair myself in all the
That's
looks,
okay.
but yeah, I did
Yeah.
my own makeup.
Okay, yeah.
And मुझे अपने looks बहुत अच्छे लगे, and I think those looks were very well appreciated. और बाकी मुझे जाने से पहले पता था that I'm going to get flack. Like
Oh, you did.
creators going anywhere beyond their Instagram feeds and
Andheri.
YouTube are going to get like some flack. So वो तो मुझे पता था पहले से.
But my manager was there and he's like, dude, Ankush was the hardest working person at Cannes. We were getting up for breakfast. He was already shooting his outfit somewhere
Yeah.
here, there. Did you enjoy the experience or were you just working really
So,
hard?
I think I just wanted to deliver as much as I can, but I will say that I didn't like chill a lot. मतलब जैसे I didn't have like all the meals in the day. Like I was having one meal a day because I was like, यार, it's a big opportunity for me to like show my personal style and like इतनी मेहनत से looks create करे हैं, stylist hire किया है, so I better deliver with the pictures and the videos, and I take my work very 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 seriously. So
Can I please give you all some tea?
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so a lot of creators went to Cannes the same year you did, and one creator that I know was paying for his Cannes appearance over 2 years.
What
As
do you
in?
mean?
Like, they paid for an appearance at some red carpet or something. I don't know, a smaller creator, and they were with an agency. So
So
they
for 2
had,
years they were doing it.
yeah, like in EMI installments
Oh,
for
no.
their appearance at Cannes. Because I only found out because I was being pitched this year and I said I don't want to do it because I don't like spending money on content. Like, I'm like, whatever happens on my screen happens, like my phone screen, but I don't want to pay for an appearance because I really can't do, like, I can't create fashion content or not my vibe. So I was like, I'm not going to do it. And then I ended up speaking to this creator and they were like, bro, मैं 2 साल से
अभी
मेरा
वो चल
कट
रहा
रहा
है,
है
loan
EMI,
चल
and he
रहा
was
है.
like, it wasn't worth it for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's-
Guess who? Don't guess. So sorry for outing you like that.
Yeah, well, that creator's never going to speak to you again, I think.
No, but I really wonder, like, it's always a conversation, right? Because again, content creators are kind of spreading into every category. And the first person to get backlash is a content creator. Why are you in a film?
Yeah.
Why are you on a runway?
Yeah.
Why are you at Cannes? So does the opportunity really bring you something, a reward, or does it really kill your game?
I don't know, like you tell me as like your perception of like when creators go to like let's say a camp.
I like creators on their phone screen. Like, I like the, like, it's like.
Phone tak hi raho.
Yeah, please. No, it's not. I'm very happy when creators get opportunities because I'm like, but like, oh my God, this person that I watch is getting this great opportunity. But is that the content I'm watching? No. I'm watching the stories, or like I'm watching your Chipkali story.
Yeah.
I'm very invested in.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
But I feel like maybe that's because you and I and we all are like the knowledgeable viewer. But say for parents,
But तुम खुद भी creator हो ना, तुम audience के
वही.
perspective से वो तुम शायद नहीं सोच सकते because you're not just an audience on
Yeah.
Yeah.
Instagram.
for like a parent or an audience that's far removed, like say Dolly going on Kapil Sharma might be the biggest thing her parents
For
see.
my parents, it was a big deal. Like
Yeah.
they saw Dolly on Kapil Sharma and they were like, wow, this is amazing.
She's made it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think there are traditional signifiers of what is success, and maybe is that
Also,
you
I feel like personally, तुम्हारे लिए growing up, like none of us grew up in a time where content creation was a thing.
Yeah.
So हमारे दिमाग में to be famous, popular, a celebrity, an actor, whatever, there was a bunch of milestones.
Yeah.
Like for example, जब मैं Men's XP में काम करता था, I would write articles on people who made it to Cannes. So in my head, it's a milestone.
Of course. Yeah.
So if I get the opportunity to do it, I will do it regardless of what the world thinks. Like if I'm getting the opportunity, I'll take it.
Fair enough.
same?
No.
I
Like तुम उस
I
time
would
ये
take
थोड़ी
it.
सोचोगे कि am I supposed to do this or not? Like this is something that you've seen like really big people do,
Bro.
and now you're getting the opportunity to do the same.
If they told me you're going to France, I'll go. Can't. Whatever.
France.
Like France.
cannot.
Yeah.
No, so basically, I'll give you an example. Every time I do a brand deal, I could be doing a homegrown brand that pays me X amount, or I'm doing a MNC brand that pays me X minus 30% amount. The X minus 30% one will get sent on my family, like my extended family group chat, and like, congratulations, Sakshi, for working on this brand. And I'm like, this campaign made me wanna
Yeah.
Yeah.
20 times. you know, and I'm like, what? It was my script, it was my everything, it was through, and my dad's like, bro, you're working with XYZ brand.
Yeah.
And
The
I'm like,
perception, na? It's the
yeah.
perception. Huh.
And I get so irritated. Like my one eye goes like I get very irritated. But for my dad, it's like, okay, I can tell my friends that this one doesn't just sit and talk about her underwear online, you know? Like
A proud day for Mr. Shiv.
Yeah, मतलब मैं तुम्हें बहुत छोटी सी चीज बताता हूँ. For example, this one time I was cribbing about some brand who keeps sending me PR.
Yeah.
And I know that they're expecting a story and then they'll be very pushy की story डालो. And I was cribbing it to my mother and my mother is like, तुझे फ्री में सामान मिल रहा है. और मैं मम्मी को बोल रहा मम्मी बट आई एम एडिंग वैल्यू बिकॉज यू नो
Yeah.
मेरे एक स्टोरी शाउट आउट से शायद उनका फायदा होगा व्हाटएवर. शी इज लाइक नहीं बट मैं ऐसे नहीं सोचती. मैं देख रही हूँ कि क्या तू इस पे अपने पैसे खर्च करता नहीं पर ये चीज तुझे फ्री में मिल रही है. सो मतलब जब तुम पेरेंट्स की बात करते हो ना उनका परसेप्शन इज वेरी
Yeah.
वेरी डिफरेंट.
What? Sorry.
Sorry, I'm saying for you, you also have been taking your parents out on trips and all,
Yeah.
and I'm sure that
थोड़े टाइम के लिए अभी नहीं करूंगा मैं.
how are family trips as an adult?
They're like you feel like you have to be the adult and you can't be the kid. I think now with
Yeah.
especially with international trips my parents like for example जब हम लोग दुबई गए थे वो मेरे मम्मी पापा की पहली इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप थी और उनकी फ्लाइट थी इन द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम. Like I
हाँ.
don't think I remember the last time they took a flight anywhere. So मतलब उसमें मेरी और मेरी बहन को adult बनना पड़ता है थोड़ा. So
Yeah.
then it's like you do it as like this trip is for them, not like I can't chill the same way I would chill on a trip when it's with parents.
Yeah.
But
fair
मैं
enough.
कंटेंट बनाता हूँ और हमें आई थिंक जब तक कैमरा ऑन होता है मेरी फैमिली बिल्कुल ठीक रहती है. इसीलिए मैं उनके साथ इतना कंटेंट बनाता हूँ बिकॉज दैट्स द टाइम, दैट्स आवर क्वालिटी टाइम.
Amazing. I want to take my parents out on a trip this year, and like I've been seeing, like, you know, because I'm trying to figure out locations to take them, and the 2 trips you took have been in inspo.
अरे मेरी मम्मी का तो ये भी सीन है कि वो वेजिटेरियन खाना खाएंगी और सिर्फ इंडियन वेजिटेरियन खाना खाएंगी.
Oh.
सो शी विल नॉट हैव अ वेजिटेरियन पास्ता.
Oh.
तो 2 ही कंट्रीज हैं जहाँ पे तुम्हें इंडियन वेजिटेरियन खाना मिलेगा विच इज थाईलैंड एंड दुबई.
Yeah.
और मतलब श्रीलंका बचाया बट उसका मैं थोड़ा वेट करूंगा.
Nepal.
हाँ.
But that's the thing now, you want to gift your parents an experience.
But sometimes then they don't want it.
They don't want it. First,
don't
you,
want
if you leave it open to them कि आपको किधर जाना है, they be like, नहीं बेटा,
नहीं जाना.
मत, नहीं
Yeah.
हम तो
नहीं
इसी
जाना.
में खुश हैं.
नहीं जाना.
तुम्हारे साथ टाइम स्पेंड करे घर पे, इसी में हमारी खुशी है. And then you're like, fuck, I'm trying to like do something. dude.
This frustrates me to no end. I'm like कि मतलब मैं अभी कमा रहा हूँ मुझे आपका लाइफस्टाइल इंप्रूव करना है. उनको चाहिए ही नहीं अच्छा लाइफस्टाइल.
नहीं.
हाँ.
उनको नहीं चाहिए. उनको वही like अगर तुम उनको गाड़ी भी खरीद के दे दोगे तो भी मेट्रो लेंगे.
Yeah.
You want to tell your toothbrush thing? The off-brand.
Oh my god, okay. I don't live with my parents,
Huh.
but they live in Bombay, and I was spending a night there, and I asked for a toothbrush because I can't forget to carry my toothbrush,
Huh.
and in my bathroom there was a toothbrush, and my mom was like, use that one, and I was like, I haven't been home in a year.
Yeah,
I'm not
using
using that toothbrush. And then she was like, okay. And then I was like, just tell me if you have it or not, otherwise I'll blink it. Like, you know, it's fine. Because I'd already like ordered my memory foam pillow and all of that before
Oh.
coming for one night. I know
मेरी
I'm a
मम्मी मुझे
bitch.
कूट देंगे तो
Yeah.
मैंने घर जाके मेमोरी फोम पे लो ब्लिंकिट करवाया.
No, I have to. I'm so sorry.
Fair.
But then my mom was like, no, I have a toothbrush. And she goes, and it's some fucking off-brand toothbrush. And I asked my mom, I was like, are we poor? Like, why are we buying this 30 rupees? You're saving, what, 7 rupees? Like,
That's
how
the
can you do
stupid.
that?
Yeah.
And then, like, literally, I actually was like, what's going on? Why are we using this? And she was like, it's available on Star Bazaar. I was like, I don't
उनको
care.
बल्क के ऑर्डर में उनको मिला होगा ना सस्ते
And
में.
first of all, usme bhi you weren't willing to give me your toothbrush.
She really held it to her chest.
Yeah, it's mine. And
बट पेरेंट्स ऐसे ही होते हैं यार. लाइक आई फील लाइक तुम्हारे लिए जो अपग्रेड है ना स्पेशली व्हेन योर पेरेंट्स कम फ्रॉम अ सर्टेन बैकग्राउंड
Yeah.
उनको वो अपग्रेड इतना इंपॉर्टेंट ही नहीं लगता है. तो वो दे रादर सेव द 10 रुपीज.
Yeah.
देन मेरी मम्मी ब्लिंकिट से ऑर्डर करने में अच्छा तुझे दही चाहिए मैं जाके ले आती हूँ. आई एम लाइक यू 60 यू विल क्लाइम डाउन 2 फ्लोर्स गो बाय अ दही. यू विल
Yeah.
आल्सो नॉट लेट मी गो बिकॉज बेटा अभी घर आया तो ये कैसे जाएगा. ब्लिंकिट भी नहीं करने दे रहे हो.
But if they do Blinkit, it has to reach the order value where the
या जब वो फ्री
is
डिलीवरी हो
free.
जाए उसमें भी फिर बोलेंगे कि अच्छा तू तो पता नहीं कौन से चने मंगवाता होगा ये तो चने की क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं होती वो 15 रुपए सस्ते देता है और वो ब्रांडेड नहीं होते लेकिन वो बेटर होते हैं. एंड आई एम लाइक यार can you like take some time off to breathe now? Matlab,
Yeah, like this is really not a stress. It's not affecting our lives.
yeah, it's
in
not going to
any
make
way.
like a Blinkit order is not going to make a
No.
dent.
Yeah.
But I guess if you've spent 30 years of your life
Yeah.
in one zone where it's
Yeah.
like Survivor and I have to save for the family, it's so difficult for you to break.
Yeah, yeah,
And the
100%.
level of guilt you feel to do anything that's just like for your own joy.
Also, the way you see money is very different.
Yeah.
Very different. Like मेरे पापा के लिए वो 10 रुपए की अगर बार्गेनिंग कर रहे हैं, then he'll give me a lecture on तुम्हें पैसे की वैल्यू नहीं पता है and all that. And I'm like,
Yeah.
यार, but आपके पास तो है ना, तो you can forget the value for some time ना.
Agreed.
Sometimes.
I agree.
But how has like your parents' relationship with money or you growing up in your house, what does that do for your relationship with money?
यार, my relationship with money is very uncomfortable. Growing up, money was not discussed in the house. So like we kids didn't know how much papa is making. We kids didn't know how much mummy is making. And mummy didn't have a job. She was acting in regional cinema जो महीने में अगर एक बार कोई project किया and whatever. So like we didn't know घर में कितना पैसा है, but ये पता था कि पैसे की problem है. So money has been like in my head growing up, money has been the root cause of a lot of problems at home. So I always saw money as a bad thing. So initially when I signed a few branded deals and you know the money was great, I was feeling guilty. I was like, but you know, like what am I doing that I'm getting so much of this? And you know, while my parents are still living the life that they're living, so out of guilt, I would, you know, like try to upgrade their lifestyle, but I would be met with this resistance कि नहीं हमें नहीं चाहिए, save करो, ये करो, वो करो. And then it reached a point where like my parents still don't know how much I earn. I can't tell them.
Yeah.
I cannot tell them because it's uncomfortable for me to have that sit with them and be like, I can just tell them that I have enough to do this for you, but I
Yeah.
cannot tell them how much I earn. I cannot tell anybody how much I earn. Money conversations make me very uncomfortable, which is why I ghost my own CA. So he will call me and I will not pick up his call because I don't know how to discuss money, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't like it. It's unhealthy.
And do you spend a lot?
No.
No?
No, I don't spend a lot because I still अब मैं Zara से अगर 25-30 हज़ार की शॉपिंग कर रहा हूँ कभी for a shoot, मैं उसमें भी 10 बार सोचूंगा. Even though I'm like, bro, this is for my work, it's an investment,
Yeah.
but I still go back to the time where you know like 25-30 हज़ार एक बार में खर्च करना. Like I don't own a luxury item. I don't have a luxury bag. Like I see a lot of influencers when they get brand deals, they'll go and everybody will like Dubai जाओ वहाँ से ये खरीद के लाओ, and I'm like, yeah, but it's really not
Don't
worth.
Look at me. Why do you look at me?
No, I was looking because I feel like I stared in this
Sorry.
direction for a very long
Why
time.
are you looking at
Then they
me?
feel like she's zoning out. I'm also thinking of the audience.
नहीं,
Yeah.
I'm just
Yeah.
So my relationship with money is very, very, very weird.
Yeah.
I don't do things for myself enough.
I'm too scared of like even Googling about how to be responsible with money.
Same.
Like I'm so scared.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel like my parents also never discussed money, but I have this idea that my parents have money. I don't know if they do or no.
Maybe they did.
Yeah, but I mean, now I know how much my dad used to make at retirement, but I was just like, I want this. Then if my dad said no, I was like, I know you have money. So now also I still expect my dad to do all my taxes and all of
Yeah.
that. He doesn't do it, but he's very like I straight start saying numbers because I want them to be uncomfortable to get over that this thing. But they still live like my dad will still be like, oh, don't order Epigamia, order Mother Dairy. And
Yeah.
I'm like, babe, no, we don't need to live like this. Like, and he's just like, okay. Like for my birthday last year, he got me this cake. And like my birthday is coming again, okay? Your birthday just went.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah, but I told my dad, I was like, I'll put you in an old age home if you bring that cake again. And he found it damn funny. Like,
So as long as he
No,
found
no,
it
yeah.
funny.
Her dad, like again, like both of us come from families where the sense of humor is very roasty. So
Yeah.
we roast back
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
another person. It's like, why are you
Yeah, it's like,
saying
ये
off to
क्या
your
कैसे
father?
बातें कर रहे हैं?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There was an article recently in My Name which was like Sakshi Shivdasani admits that her parents know her upbringing is uncultured. Because I made a joke about it's like my parents know I'm a loser or some shit like that. But do your parents watch like news that comes out about you?
Yeah. My parents are like वो सब चीजें देखते हैं. In fact, मतलब they're not very social media savvy, but they have access to किसको hi बोल रही है?
Your parents.
Oh, hello.
Oh.
Hello.
Which is why I have to be very careful in all interviews to a certain limit because I'm like वो सब actually देखते हैं,
Yeah.
actively ढूंढते हैं. So मतलब मेरे मम्मी पापा बहुत tech savvy नहीं है, बट पापा कहीं से कुछ ना कुछ करके किसी ने मेरे बारे में स्टोरी रिपोस्ट करी, ही लैंड देयर एंड ही सी एवरीथिंग. एंड कभी कभी मेरी मम्मी बोलती है हमने देखा था कल तू उस लड़की के साथ घूम रहा था. आई वाज लाइक आपने कहाँ देखा था? इंस्टाग्राम सब बता देता है. आई एम लाइक इंस्टाग्राम पे जो मैं पोस्ट करता हूँ वही आता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक इंस्टाग्राम इज सम पैप हु इज टेलिंग यू दैट अंकुश वाज स्पॉटेड विद दिस पर्सन. नो, वो मेरी ही स्टोरी है.
But
This one time my mother got pissed at my sister because उसका बर्थडे था मेरी बहन का, and my mom would have called and she didn't pick because she was sick. My mother is not ready to believe that she's sick. Why? Because she's like मैंने देखा तू पार्टी कर रही थी. उसकी स्टोरी पे she was just reposting stories of people जिसके
no.
वीडियोस पोस्ट करे होंगे और उसमें उसके बाल एक में इतने लंबे एक में इतने छोटे, वो नहीं दिख रहा उनको. They just think she's just changing clothes and partying all day.
That's
So,
too
yeah.
cute.
It's yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's
tell me something. Now you're making money, you're living on your own, everything is, you're an adult. What is the worst that would happen if your parents find something about you that is not to their taste?
Yeah, so I grew up with two elder sisters, and that meant that I had to be invisible because there was too much drama in the house. So I'm very non-confrontational with my family, और वो सारी confrontation मेरी दोस्ती में निकलती है. So in friendships, I'm like, how can you do this to me? But with my parents, I'm like, I will not be the trouble child. I will just, stay to myself. So I'm actually very reserved in front of my parents. तो इसलिए मेरे लिए थोड़ा off होता है.
So you
अजीब.
don't want to confront.
No, like I don't want to be visible. Like I've had a very invisible sort of childhood, which is very weird because I'm in a profession where I want to be seen, but after some point I get very uncomfortable with being seen.
Yeah.
So
All creators are attention whores.
yeah, I am a major
Yeah.
attention whore, but then I
Same.
also don't know how to deal with the attention if I get it.
Yeah.
So what if someday you fell in love with someone who your parents didn't like? How would you deal with that?
ये मेरे घर
conflict?
पे ना मेरी दोनों बहनें बहुत कर चुकी हैं. So ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. They have really conditioned them.
अच्छा.
Amazing.
yeah.
10 on 10.
Yeah, वो तो my sisters have taken care of that.
Okay.
department.
That's good.
Were you bullied a bunch growing up?
Yeah, a lot. Which is why
By your sisters or in school?
No, not by my sisters. My sisters were like really, really nice to me. I mean, they're my sisters. They
Yeah.
should have been nice to me. But school mein I was quite bullied. Like bullied quite
For
a lot.
what?
Yeah, because I was like, मतलब मेरी growth suddenly, मतलब like I suddenly became very lanky. I was not into sports. मैं WWE नहीं देखता था. I had more female friends. And I was an awkward person. Like I was very socially awkward. दोस्त ज़्यादा थे नहीं. And like, yeah, I was the easy one to pick on.
And have people from your school who like bullied you come back? Yeah?
And they message, love what you're doing for yourself. And I'm like, okay,
You have
I'll
any-
leave you on scene.
Yes.
You have any revenge stories like that?
Not revenge stories, nahin, not really. Because again, non-confrontational.
Fair
So,
enough,
Like, I
yeah.
just withdraw. And I
Okay.
comply. That's why. Like, everything, therapy में मुझे पता चला है भाई तुम्हारी जिंदगी में अगले 10 साल में भी कुछ होगा ना, that is related to your
Yeah.
childhood somehow.
Do you enjoy therapy? Like the
Yeah, I really
Yeah.
do. I think like the first time I took therapy was 10 years ago. When I first
Okay.
discovered I have anxiety. उसके बाद I learned some techniques to like curb it for myself, which helped me. But after that, abhi suddenly after this, actually right before the digital arrest happened, I had started taking therapy because I was feeling like I'm overwhelmed by work. I'm overwhelmed by Mumbai, moved to a new city. I was treating my stay in Mumbai as a long vacation. Like I was not living in Mumbai. I'm still not living in Mumbai. I'm
I see where you're coming
working
from.
in Mumbai. So if every day I'm not working, then why am I here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like meko suddenly this one day it hit me that I've not seen a single sunset in Mumbai. I've not gone out to the beach and seen a sunset in like
Really?
1.5 years.
you used to do that in Delhi.
Not really.
There's no sunset to see in Delhi.
Also that.
There's
Also
no
that.
sunset.
But तुम अपनी सिटी में तो कितने दिन होते तुम कुछ नहीं करते, दोस्तों के साथ चिल
Yeah.
करते हो. यहाँ पे तो every day I would wake up with an agenda, and if there's nothing to do,
Delhi mein there's just time available.
Yeah.
I don't know. I slept 6 times, bro. This time when
Y'all
I went for 2
just
days.
stress because you all come to Bombay and Bombay is fast.
Bombay is fast and you
Yeah.
come here with an agenda to make a living.
Yeah.
Na?
And
So-
Bombay it feels very cutthroat compared to Delhi if you're new because like being
100%.
plucked out of Delhi and coming to
We
Bombay.
know it.
Yeah.
I can see it on her face.
But we must go
yeah.
to Soho House and watch a sunset.
Shut up.
वो कर चुका हूँ मैं, वो भी work meeting पे.
Oh.
Work meeting.
So you're saying, yeah, then you got to therapy and you feel
And now I'm glad I was already into therapy when the thing happened, and then I was like, अगले 3 दिन में मेरे को session book करने की बहुत जरूरत है.
Yeah.
I need to really unpack this. And yeah, it's been helping. I think you just get to know yourself a little more.
Yeah.
But it's also overwhelming because you're like, बहुत issues हैं यार मेरे में, you know.
Yeah,
There's
honestly,
too much to fix.
How you can do 1 hour like that? I need to talk.
like 40 hours at least.
Too much to fix. She was like, okay, so like you either can talk about it or we can do like different. I was like, I'll talk. I can talk.
But you tell me something. Do you guys really? I feel like therapy mein, okay, you go in and they're like, okay, there are these things that are wrong with you. But is everything in life so necessary to fix? Like therapy makes me feel like a project, and I don't want to feel like a project.
But they
anymore.
also know you're not gonna fix half of your shit.
You know, but you're constantly looking at yourself through the lens of I'm not okay, or I could do these 3 steps to be the best version of myself.
But I feel when you're taking therapy, you already know you're not okay.
I'm great.
No, I'll tell you what. No, I think therapy is more like just, you do it for yourself. And I
Yeah.
think therapists need to be like, bro, I'm only helping you in your personal capacity. बाहर जाके मत बोलना, this is my truth, थप्पड़ मत पड़ेगा. Like,
Yeah.
but my main problem with people, like, I get irritated when I can tell by talking to someone that they take therapy.
Yeah.
Where they're like, well, this is my boundary. Like, and it's like,
Oh, it's annoying.
yeah, I'm
I'm
like
in that
therapy
phase when I'm
speak.
using these terms and throwing them around, but I can tell how it can be annoying to
Yeah,
someone
like I
else.
think therapy speak is not something that can be used in
Conversation.
in like daily
conversation.
life.
Yeah, you can say I don't want to do this, but don't, like, if someone's like, this is my boundary, I'm like, shh.
Like if you're a magician, right? You're not showing the person how you do the trick. You just have to
No.
do the trick.
Yeah.
But like I am in that phase right now
I
where I
love
throw
that.
around these terms
Yeah.
and all, and I think it comes from the fact that I'm having these epiphanies about myself. Ki, yeah, shit, like, okay, so this is what I was doing wrong. Like, she told me something that blew my mind, and now I can't stop talking about it.
Which is
Yeah, like she told me that, we again, don't quote me on this because I'm not a therapist and I don't want to give any advice. But like, she basically told me that there is an adult you and there is a child you, and a lot of your defense mechanisms are shaped because of the child you, like the fears that child had, etc. And sometimes you operate out of that, even though your condition today will not be the same, but your response to things will be built over the years because of that child you. So she told me that, you look at things and you let the child take over instead of the adult you take over, which is why you don't follow your instincts, which is why you get very scared with like really small things because the children get scared easily,
yeah.
right? So like, again, this might not make sense to anybody, but in my case, like,
Of
it made a
course.
lot of sense. I was
Yeah.
like, yeah, like I need to be sure that, that child wala background has been removed now. I'm
Yeah.
far away from it, so that response can change now.
I'm in the, like, I've just discovered I've made the same breakthrough, but I've just reached the point where I'm like, oh fuck. Now everything that happens, I'm like, okay, let myself feel, because child me had like stopped everything.
So this, you were also told something similar.
Yeah, inner
Oh,
child.
okay.
Same
Inner child.
thing.
Yeah.
But my inner child just kept their mouth shut and was like, I don't care. So now my adult me has to kind of be like, I care. So I have cried the most I've cried in the last 1 year, and I don't like it. I was like so happy not crying. Like, so I was just like, now my therapist is like, he told me it'll take a while. And I was like, babe, I don't got time like that, sweetie. It's like 30 seconds real or no, nothing. Like, if you can heal me in 30 seconds,
इसका
that's
खुद की
cool.
mental health के लिए attention span छोटा है.
Yeah.
Ari, how do you make content if you don't have something going
Trauma.
on?
Yeah, or something like very like eventful, and I'm a very uneventful person.
Same.
So I struggle with it sometimes. I'm like, life में कुछ हो नहीं रहा, vlog क्या करूँ?
Yeah.
घर पे ही बैठा हुआ हूँ.
More than that, I feel like when you have something big that happens to you, it opens up a lot of room for awareness. Like right now with the arrest, right? You've had a lot of epiphanies. And to do comedy, I guess you need to have a certain level of like self-awareness to be able to catch on like, oh, these are habits that people have and this is what somebody could relate to. Like the nuance.
Yeah, but मुझे ये भी लगता है कि my humor was self-deprecatory throughout my life. And I feel like now the more I'm trying to get myself, I also want to get out of that loop of, like constantly putting myself down so that people can laugh at me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? तो अभी मैं उस stage में हूँ थोड़ा. मतलब मुझे, I really want to decide how I want to be funny.
You
Okay.
stop looking at yourself like a character and a real
Yeah,
person.
yeah. Like, I mean, I'll still do it for content because that's what gets the views.
Yeah.
But like, I mean, just being honest, I'll still continue to do that because audience वही देखने आ रही है. वो
Yeah.
मेरी self growth देखने नहीं आ रही है. वो उनको entertainment
Ankush
चाहिए.
making therapy speak reels. My
Yeah,
2025
imagine.
bingo card.
No, but that's been really nice. And you've been very honest through this entire thing. So we're going to throw one more game into the mix. Really quickly.
ओ ये खत्म हो गया.
नहीं, game फेंक रहे हैं.
Oh, अच्छा.
You have to read. This is a rapid fire. We're going to ask you to name one product that you hate for each of these categories. You have to say it. You have to
Hate?
de-influence.
yaar.
Come on,
Oh.
come on.
Fine.
Okay.
I also didn't know this. I was like, I would not say it. But
Okay.
You can not like a certain product within a brand and it doesn't say anything about the brand.
ये brands को समझाओ ना बात. ये मुझे तो पता है.
Agar, if you're a brand and you have the balls, this is how I feel.
Even if they don't have the balls, they have the money, Naina. I want the money.
okay, but we can also if you're not comfortable, we can do favorites.
Yeah.
Favorites
that's
में
amazing.
click नहीं आता.
Wait,
पहले 15 सेकंड नहीं
clickbait.
निकलेंगे इसके.
चल ठीक है. For you,
नहीं
favorite.
try करो. Okay.
What's a makeup product you don't need?
You don't need. I think color correcting primers are very useless. Because मतलब वो orange color correcting primer for your dark circles, but बाकी face का क्या? Like what if you have redness also and like under eyes also, then what do you buy 2 color correcting primers? It doesn't make sense.
Overconsumption.
उसका मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकता.
What's a micro trend you hate?
Micro trend.
Yeah, in beauty.
What's a micro trend?
Like glass skin or
Like anything
blush
that comes and
blindness.
goes and everyone's
Blush
obsessed.
blindness.
Blush blindness.
Because I really think it doesn't, like if you have hollow under eyes, it looks horrible on people with like hollow under eyes. Just my opinion, guys. You can wear makeup the way you want.
Which creator do you think needs to hire a makeup artist stat?
You.
Me? Yeah, I agree.
That's
Safe.
a very safe.
Safe.
answer.
Safe. I knew he was gonna say that. I was gonna say, but not us.
Give me options. I'm thinking. Yeah, you.
Fair. Who's a male beauty creator that needs to stop? Not you. You can't say you.
But मैं किसी का भी नाम लूंगा तो घसीटा तो मैं ही जाऊंगा.
So true, bestie. Ankush Babu
यार
का
वैसे ही इतने मेल क्रिएटर्स नहीं है ब्यूटी में. I don't want to shut
Sorry,
off.
we have to create a space now to enclose and safeguard the male beauty creator.
Who's a female beauty creator that needs to stop? बहुत है.
Yeah, मैं नहीं कर सकता ये. Who's a female beauty creator that needs to stop? Nobody actually. Like most of the girls who are doing beauty deals genuinely know how to do their makeup. Genuinely.
If you could,
You only.
if you could suggest one makeup product to your arrestor,
The collagen mask. At least it's entertaining, guys.
Which was the worst cons look?
पता है क्यों collagen mask? क्योंकि वो 4 घंटे में सूख जाता है, then you have to go and peel it off. तो वो जब तक जाता तब तुम्हें कॉल काट सकता था.
Bro, the same guy stayed for 40 hours.
They had shifts. There
What if
are
you fell
3,
in
4
love?
characters.
in 40
That will be very unfortunate.
What's it called when you fall in love with your kidnapper?
वो होता है ना
Stockholm.
Stockholm
Stockholm
syndrome.
syndrome.
Damn.
Any Stockholm vibes?
No यार.
Okay. After the collagen
उसके बाद तो
mask.
no home vibes also. मुझे अपने घर में haunted लग रहा था.
Shit, that's really sad.
Is that
Yeah
why
man,
you're
like going
moving?
back to that house suddenly was like shit.
Did you want to move to Delhi?
हाँ?
Did you want to move back?
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
इतना भी नहीं.
इतना भी नहीं था. इतना भी नहीं था. उसके लिए 50 hours शायद.
Oh, worst restaurant in Bombay that Bombay people are obsessed with.
Oh, worst restaurant Bombay that. यार, I'm forgetting the name, but there was a place which I didn't honestly like. Was it somewhere in Bandra, which was I've forgotten, but there is a restaurant in Bandra which was very. What are the
Hype.
hyped restaurants?
ये तो बहुत हो गए. Veronica's.
No,
Yeah.
Veronica's is nice, actually nice.
Veronica's, Bougie, Boca,
La Loca.
I think it was that.
La
La
Loca.
Loca. Damn.
Okay. One brand you had a terrible time working with.
क्यों बोल
यार अब मैं बोल देता बहुत साल हो गए यार. Color Plus. That was my first deal, and then they basically मुझे मिले थे उस डील के 5,000 रुपए, दिस इज दैट लॉन्ग बैक, और उन्होंने वो 5,000 रुपए भी रख लिए मेरे, बिकॉज दे
Oh.
डिडंट लाइक द फोटो शूट दैट आई डिड. 3,000 रुपए
What?
तो मैंने फोटोग्राफर को दिए थे.
Oh shit.
या
My dad wears Color Plus. I'll tell him to stop.
या दैट विल रियली हेल्प.
No, I think he's the only one who buys Color Plus.
At Star.
Clearly they're not going to work with me ever again now, but
They
yeah,
weren't gonna work with. They kept 5,000 rupees. Why do you want to work with
that's
them?
also true.
Are they
Hold
part of-
space for yourself, Ankush.
Okay. यहाँ पे भी थेरेपी हो
This
रही
is your boundary.
है.
I'm gonna go through my notes in case there's
नोट्स में
anything.
वो लिखा था, रेडिट लिखा होगा इसने.
Away.
We don't check Reddit.
Of course we don't check
We
Reddit.
check for tea. We don't check to attack. We can attack better.
Yeah, you already do.
Does Reddit hate affect you?
Sometimes
Depends.
it's
on-
gotten better. Like शुरू में तो बहुत affect करती थी, and I think जब ये digital arrest stuff happened and then the whole victim blaming happened, that affected me honestly.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's entertaining also. Like I
Hmm.
mean,
When it
Reddit is
doesn't happen
pretty-
to you.
Yeah, then it's entertaining.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Reddit
I mean,
is dead but these days.
It's not dead. It's anything
It's very
but
dead.
It's very dead.
Yeah.
Why?
No, nothing interesting.
Yeah, just the same thing.
अभी रुको.
I
No,
can't.
it's आने दो क्या
नहीं, we've discussed this before also. Like
Yeah.
we check it, but it's okay. Like
Yeah,
it's
I find it boring. Like if I'm not viewing it as like musty.
Do you feel like we're all reaching a level of desensitization with like just information that nothing is exciting people anymore? Even the rage bait has stopped exciting people.
I think
हाँ, जब रेज बेट का पता होता है ना कि रेज बेट है, तो फिर वो तुम्हें उतना
Switch off हो
outrage
जाता
नहीं
है.
करता.
हाँ.
You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Yeah, that's true.
But I also think I personally don't follow a lot of creators. So when they're discussing these like drama
तो
plots
तुझे
of
टी मिलती
crea-
है, तुझे एक्चुअल टी मिलती है.
Yeah, but I'm not understanding Reddit page. Those things are not the drama that's happening is not interesting to me personally because I don't know who the
The people
creators
are.
are.
Sometimes if it's about the creators you follow, then it's probably
But it's all tea that I've heard 7-8 months ago. So I'm like,
Oh.
because I'm in every.
She has
gutter.
access now. What to do?
I go really digging for gossip, and people.
That's true.
trust
That's
me.
true. That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. And she's good at it. Like you
Yeah.
you won't figure out.
And I
Yeah.
don't gatekeep. Like if you meet me, I'll tell you all the gossip.
She's the worst.
I'm horrible.
She's the worst.
But I tell everyone कि I am going to say.
But इसके बाद genuinely gossip करने में बड़ा मजा आता है. I think we've met at like 2-3 events आज
Yeah.
तक, और हमने हर बार सिर्फ यही
Bro,
किया.
Ankush and I are sitting in the corner going, it's horrible for everyone.
And it's
around.
not like I'm best friends with her.
Yeah.
But I know that like I can trust her with gossip because
Yeah.
she does it with so much passion.
In the
But she also
club.
tells everybody else.
Yeah.
But मैं अपने बारे में से कुछ नहीं बताता.
हाँ, फिर ठीक है.
But
I'm very, like-
everyone who tells me knows I'm going to tell everyone. Like I say it before I tell them I'm going to tell everyone. So you tell me how much you're comfortable.
इसने
with.
मतलब like she's very transparent about the
Yeah.
fact that you can't trust her.
In the club, we
We
are
are
fam.
But yeah, ये मुझे I think yeah we do this only every time. I
Yeah.
think.
Everyone. If you ever
No, I'm not
want
gossip with her. I'm not gossip.
हम
I
मिले ही
barely
कितना
hung
है.
out with you actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Men's XP.
नहीं बात करते
नहीं
थे.
बात-
बिल्कुल
No
बात नहीं
gossip.
करते थे. She was
These
doing the
guys-
cool stuff.
No,
na.
no. What a fucking.
You were doing the cool
You're
stuff.
such a
It's true.
prick.
हम लोग बैठ के
You're such a prick.
No, I genuinely mean
Shit,
it.
we were supposed to flirt this whole episode. We missed.
She was doing the
messed
cool
it up.
stuff. She was doing the cool stuff.
I was doing nothing. No such thing. That when I entered that office, these guys had already been creating their
Who were
content.
the guys?
Ankush, Dolly, Kusha,
Shibani.
Shibani. They were already like the star cast
Aaron.
of that floor.
Aaron.
Aaron तो मेरा दोस्त था, so I knew him from
Yeah.
before. So these guys were like a clique. Now they'll see from their side they were so humble they didn't, but I was the outsider there ना. तो अरे अब मेरी कहानी है.
Fair.
हाँ. उसकी भी
From my perspective,
The
it
rich
was
South
like,
Bombay girl was.
Naina was a consultant and
Yeah.
she would work on like I think graphics or something. Like no, you were
as
doing
making
some,
fashion and lifestyle videos.
but like you were not scripting them or anything. You were working on a larger level, like conceptualizing
Yeah,
stuff and all.
something, yeah.
और हम लोग mass production करते थे videos का, तो हम लोग रोज आके अपनी घिसते थे और मतलब 5-5 video scripts लिखते थे. तो I would look at her and be like, यार तो like she's doing cool work. Like it's
You used to script your videos at Men's XP?
yeah. I was their script
Oh.
writer. I was a talent. I was a script writer. I was handling their social media for the longest time.
In fact, even Aaron started as a producer. He was a
Yeah.
content producer for Dolly and Kusha, and then he
Oh.
became
Dolly Kusha themselves were like writers first.
Oh.
We all were like just thrown in front of the camera because उस time पे videos बनाना important था and nobody had the budgets to like hire talent.
Yeah.
So we created talent.
It was that OG Facebook mandate that we
Yeah.
have to
जिसमें
pay.
इतने minutes खत्म करने पड़ते थे. I don't know क्या deal थी वो.
कुछ
But
तो
yeah.
था.
But for creators that are starting out today, would you all recommend
No,
being...
don't start.
Don't start.
Yeah, we have enough creators. Don't start.
Start. ये क्या बकवास है? Don't gatekeep.
He'll get a
मेरे gatekeep करने से बड़ा gatekeep हो रहा है.
People are tagging Ankush and Wingit. He's reposting everyone's looks, getting them followers. He's not gatekeeping.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
do that.
I want to ask one last
Humble.
question from my end. Then you can figure out. After I'm
Sorry.
sitting back and
Okay.
zoning out.
Okay.
Let's go. Huh.
The question is that, okay, coming into this field where you're doing lifestyle and fashion and beauty content, which are decisively not very masculine fields, do you get a lot of conflict or hate from men, or do you feel
Yeah,
like-
men hate me.
and how
Yeah.
do you deal
Men
with
hate
that? Like how do you reconcile with your inner masculinity when this is the field that you're in?
Yeah, I know for a fact that like मेरी जो like male audience थोड़ी बहुत बढ़ रही है, of course. Only the men who are into grooming, makeup, etc. But even my comedy, etc., it was never about like gaaliyan and all that. So there was a clear pattern that more women followed me forever than men,
Yeah.
and most men, I think I make most men uncomfortable with my content. It's true. Like for example, a lot of my female friends also tell me that in their group, like the guys will say shit about me, but they will be the ones who will be like, no, but he's not doing anything wrong, you know. So there's a clear distinction there, and it's always been, and I'm okay with it. Yeah, I've always had more female friends.
So does that make you suspicious of men?
No, I'm like this. Yeah, my content is not for them, na, clearly. So it's fine.
Yeah.
So it's fine. And I also feel like women as an audience is much kinder. They're much nicer. They also allow you the space to be some. Like for example, if I had the Londa wali audience, मैं कभी मेकअप पे शुरू ही नहीं कर पाता. वो मेरे को bully कर करके खत्म कर
Yeah.
देते. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So now when men troll me in my audience, in my comment section, I know they're not my audience. They will come troll me. They'll go, but they'll never follow me.
Yeah.
So it's always the like. I think that's why मैं बहुत lucky हूँ यार. मेरी audience has been very supportive to me. Otherwise, it's not easy for a creator to start another page.
And a
And-
huge pivot.
And yeah, huge pivot. And right now, Wingit has more followers than the main page.
Really?
Which yeah.
Oh, I
Because
don't
you
know
pivoted
that.
your entire content it slowly as Wingit, I feel like did better.
Yeah, did better because I
Moment
was
of silence when?
yeah.
When will
Bro.
that be for us?
वैसे लंगड़ाती लंगड़ाती
होगा,
reaching
होगा,
50K.
होगा.
आपकी कृपा
But
है.
मतलब, I think my personality evolved and I evolved my content with it, and I think the women were very supportive.
Yeah.
The men were like, "तुम किस line में आ गए" and all that, and I was like, "तुम फिर जाओ," because you
Yeah.
were never my target audience.
Yeah.
It's fine.
And how did your parents feel about it?
Yeah, I'll be very honest. They like being recognized on the streets. They like the money that I'm making. I'm in a very convenient place to have their support.
Yeah.
अगर मैं मेकअप कर रहा होता और मैं मेकअप करके एक बैंकर की नौकरी कर रहा होता या like I would wear makeup in a regular job, which
Yeah.
so I don't know if they would have been as supportive.
Hmm.
Right now they think इसका तो काम है.
Okay. Like if you started with makeup content and you weren't making money, you think it would have been
Yeah,
worth
it would have been a
existing.
problem. It would have been a problem.
Fair enough.
Probably. Like I'm saying that sometimes it's a little surprising to me how they've evolved. You know, कितनी जल्दी evolve हो गए. But sometimes I also feel like maybe it's because, you know, like things are working out in my favor. Because
Cards are in your hand.
yeah, because you know उनका टेंशन क्या होता है, लोग क्या कहेंगे, but लोग तो अच्छी बातें बोल रहे हैं सड़क पे.
Yeah.
तो
No, but I think the tension is ki how will your child like ensure their safety? Money wise is a big one.
Yeah.
Shelter wise is a big one. And if you can pull those cards for
और मैंने वो
yourself.
कॉमेडी से पुल कर लिए थे ना कार्ड्स. Like
हाँ.
I was already doing enough brand
Yeah.
deals etc. as a like for the first 5-6 years I was a comedy creator,
Yeah.
Right.
which is pretty mainstream.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
also doing short films etc. जो शायद किसी ने नहीं देखी. But
He keeps talking about these short films that no one has
देख
seen.
लेना. Yeah.
Plug. We'll link it down below.
But
We
you know,
don't
that's
cut it
why I
out.
asked you that question ki what would be the worst thing that happened if your parents if you did something that your parents were in conflict with, because you are an adult, because you have already time and time again proved to them that you are a power within yourself. So actually today, if you did something that was in conflict to them, it wouldn't really have that much of a repercussion on your life.
Yeah. First of all, I'm not dependent on them.
Yeah.
Secondly, middle class parents के लिए पैसा is a big pain point.
Yeah.
तो तुम कुछ भी करो, मतलब पैसा कमाना तो जरूरी है अपने लिए.
Yeah.
And right now, like, I mean, I'm the only earning source in my family. So there's that sort of, like, I'm not dependent on them. So I don't think I would even take it very seriously if they were not supportive.
Fair
And
enough.
yeah, I mean, like, middle class parents के morals बहुत,
Fair enough. It's
they're very
like-
flexible
yeah,
in
of
this.
course.
Like, if something works in your favor, they will be open to it.
100%. Yeah, I would agree with that with my parents also. I think when I say something, if their reaction to what I say is pretty dependent on how the audience takes it.
Yeah.
Because, you know, so if the audience is eating it up, my mom is sitting and watching Moment of Silence.
Which is so interesting because you can see society actively change your parents'
Yeah.
opinion in real time.
Yeah.
Because there are so many things. If 10 years ago you told someone told my mom I was going to be saying this shit on the internet, I don't know how receptive she
Yeah.
would be. But now that we've created a female community around it, she's like, wow, we're
Yeah.
empowering
And
everyone.
the response has been great. So
Yeah.
they're like, कुछ तो सही कर रहे हो.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But अगर कल को the tide shifts against my favor and people start shitting on me for doing something, again they might
I know my parents would definitely, they would be the first, like
खींचो
yeah,
you
they'd be like,
back.
why are you doing this?
Yeah, मतलब
Yeah.
मैं नहीं imagine कर सकता अगर मैं आई मेकअप करके बाहर निकल रहा हूँ and if it's not my career,
Yeah.
because initially मेरा defense दिमाग में ये था कि if they question me I'll be like, but it's work, like it's getting me
Yeah.
money and they'll be okay with it,
Yeah, of
but
course.
अगर वो scene नहीं होता तो शायद situation बहुत अलग होती.
I 100% agree. Like,
In the end, the only feedback from this entire experience has been कि सबकी सुनो अपनी करो.
Yeah.
If you go
Yeah.
out trying to justify and validate your choice till you have proof of concept, everyone's going to shit on it. But the minute you have proof of concept, they're like, wow, look
Very
at what
true.
this
Yeah.
person did.
but I genuinely think that either your parents should be supportive or they should keep quiet. Like it's like
That's a very nice
I
report.
agree.
But
because-
yeah, I agree.
So I was ranting to Naina recently about something that like my parents said that I didn't agree with, and she said, "No rent, no opinion," because at the end of it, which I think is so true, and like I think my parents have also like now that everything is doing well, when I have to go for a shoot, they're like, "Okay, we'll pick up your dog from your house, whatever." All this support is coming, but when I was sitting and making videos in lockdown, my dad was like, "I'm not gonna stop
Yeah.
snoring at 2 p.m. so that you
Because
can
of
make
you,
a
yeah.
reel." So I'm like,
But I mean, as long as you're not a liability on, I think Indian parents struggle with treating their kids as adults after a point.
Yeah.
Like उनको नहीं पता कि like now this person is an adult and
Yeah.
they'll do their own thing.
no, you're always either someone's child or someone's partner.
Yeah.
You're never like just a 28-year-old girl.
Also, I'm a
talking
guy, so maybe वो भी थोड़ा एक like I mean that also privileged. मेरी बहन को शायद नहीं करने देते content creation. I don't know.
Fair enough.
I mean मेरी बहनों ने तो जो करना था वही करा eventually. But
Yeah.
but I'm also not that rebellious. So
On that note, thank you so much.
This was lovely.
It's been a pleasure. And you're looking amazing.
Yeah, we forgot to tell you. You
ये
look
पहले
so
बोलना
beautiful.
चाहिए था ना
I said as soon as you walked in.
कैमरे पे तो नहीं बोला ना.
Oh, sorry.
What are you wearing? What are you wearing?
This I actually thrifted from Paris.
I love
Oh,
it.
you did?
It's too good.
Too good.
And the necklace that matches exactly.
This some brand sent me.
And what's the most expensive part of your outfit?
Nothing actually. ये 1000 रुपए का मैंने थ्रिफ्ट किया कहीं से. I think the pants Zara.
Yeah. Watch.
He's
Oh
humble.
watch ये मेरे को लेकिन PR में मिली थी मैंने पैसे नहीं
अबे
खर्च
यार,
करे.
He's
I
so
told you I don't
thrifty.
own expensive things. I
He's
don't
leaving
own
this chat so dry. Follow us, subscribe to us, tell me how mean I was this time. And
We will link Ankush's short films down below. Please watch them.
Imagine if the
8C2.
makers have removed the films because nobody watched them.
We'll
Okay.
find out.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Say bye to the camera.
Bye.